Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord game activity not showing in Windows 11 PC. If your games aren't appearing in Discord's activity status, follow these step-by-step solutions. Step 1. First, completely close Discord by right-clicking its icon in the system tray, bottom right, and selecting Quit Discord. Then, right-click the Discord shortcut, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator. Step 2. After restarting Discord as administrator, open User Settings and navigate to Activity Privacy. Toggle off, then back on the Share your detected activities with others option. This often refreshes the game detection system. Step 3. If the issue persists, perform a clean reinstall. First, quit Discord completely again from the system tray. Then open Run Windows R and type %local app data sent to delete the Discord folder. Then click on App Data, then Roaming, then find and remove the roaming Discord folder. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find by scrolling or type Discord in the search bar. Once you found Discord, click the 3 dots and select Uninstall. Then download and install the latest version from Discord's official website. Thanks for watching. If this fixed your Discord game activity issues, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting guides. See you next time.